Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad if it is not working in Borderlands 4 quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Check controller connection. Step 1. Make sure your controller is properly connected via USB or Bluetooth. Step 2. Test it in another game or on your PC to confirm it's working. Step 3. If wireless, ensure it's fully charged or has fresh batteries. Fix 2. Enable controller support in-game. Step 1. Launch Borderlands 4. Step 2. Go to Settings, Controls. Step 3. Look for controller enabled or controller support and turn it on. Fix 3. Update controller drivers. Step 1. Press Windows, EX Manager. Step 2. Expand human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers. Step 3. Right-click your controller. Update driver. Search automatically. Fix 4. Update game and Steam. Step 1. Open Steam library, Borderlands 4. Step 2. Right-click, Properties. Step 3. Make sure the game is fully updated. Step 4. Also update Steam client if prompted.